how to cancel your Meta verified subscription on Instagram. So I'll show you how to cancel either your free trial or your full subscription on Instagram. Now, first thing you need to do is go and load up your Instagram profile like this. Once you're on your profile page, click on the settings bar in the top right hand side and then click on Account Center. Now click on Subscriptions and then select Meta Verified. Now scroll down and click on Manage Subscription. You can then click on Cancel Subscription, and you may be asked for a reason why you want to cancel your subscription. So you can just select any of these options. Now click on Continue to Cancel, and then you can press Submit Feedback. Now you'll get this warning message appear, and this will basically tell you that you'll lose the blue verified tick on your Instagram profile. So if you're happy to do this, press Continue Cancellation. And as you can see, the subscription has now been cancelled. Your subscription will also remain active for any days you've already paid for in the month.